How are you, buddy?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm good.
All right, come do 332.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's gonna be that.
Spoke with Chevy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big jammy right there.
Over there?
Yes, sir. Right in the corner. Big box.
She said 2 trucks.
Ah, okay.
All right. Your drum Pro Master. We already leashy. The key with the SIP22. We got the key code. We got the key already. Everything is ready for program. Key in the ignition. Hot function. All kilos guided. Start. Place, connect program and put the blank key. Put the blank key inside. Successful. Correct number is key is gone. And we not want to have the second key. Of keys is 1. Okay. Amazing. Key add successful. Car is running. We are all set. The Pro Master 2018 all kilos for Amazon. Job is done. Amazing.